Hi everyone, my name is Robin Speziali and I'm the national best-selling author of a book called Market Masters. So today we're going to be talking about my top 15 ideas, stock ideas for the year 2018. As I'm talking now, it's still 2017, but it's mid-December, so we're almost there. What I do every year is I take a look at my entire stock portfolio and I focus in on the winners. The stocks that they've been doing well for me. And Peter Lynch, what he said, it would be crazy to keep on, watering the weeds, right? Peter Lynch said, you got to be watering the flowers. So what I do every year, I add more money to the winners in my portfolio. And a lot of these winners are ones that you'll see on this list of my top 15 stocks for 2018. But first, let's reflect a little bit on 2017. So who would have thought, some of 2017's best ideas were Bitcoin, FANG, and FANG stands for Facebook, Apple, Amazon, Netflix, and Google, and marijuana stocks, right? These are the three areas investors poured money into en masse in 2017. For the record, I'm not a big believer in Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency for that matter. As honestly, it's got to be a bubble. But I do own 4 to 5 of the FANG stocks and one of the pot stocks, which is Canopy Growth, ticker symbol WEED, W-E-E-D. Now, 2018 might look very different. Market trends come and go, all right? There's always going to be those hot areas that everybody wants to invest in to get rich quick, they think. But if you followed me for the past, 2+ years, I've been publishing this newsletter, which has 1,700 subscribers now. By the way, you can subscribe to my newsletter. Go to robinspeziali.com, my name, click on the menu, click on subscribe, and you'll subscribe to my newsletter. It's completely free. Also, if you've read my various books, if you've read Market Masters, Capital Compounders, My 72 Rules, you'll know that I stick to a very clear portfolio strategy because it's very easy to veer off into these hot areas, but they come and go. I've been investing in the stock market for 12 years, and my strategy is pretty basic, but it works for me. So before we'll get into the top 15 stocks for 2018, I'll talk about my portfolio strategy. So I segment my portfolio into 3 areas. The 3 areas are, number 1, small to mid-cap capital compounders. Number 2, mispriced large caps at the initial purchase. And then number 3, speculative takeovers, microcaps. I allocate a big chunk of my capital to the capital compounders, where I look to identify and then invest in companies ranging from 100 million to 10 billion in market cap. So these are the small and mid-cap companies, okay, that still have a long runway to grow. But there's thousands of stocks to choose from on the various stock exchanges. So my criteria is clear and the hurdles are high. Not only must my stock holdings have a large addressable market, but also outstanding management teams that effectively operate their companies and deploy cash flow to new opportunities with high rates of return to compound shareholders' capital over time. These are also predictable, non-cyclical companies with durable competitive advantages. That is moats. Warren Buffett talks about a company. It's very important for a company to have a moat because competitors find it hard to penetrate that company and steal market share. Strong moat companies are more common in these 3 sectors: consumer, technology, and diversified industries, which includes media, etc. Return on equity, or ROE, is my key benchmark for these capital compounder stocks. So my capital compounder best ideas in the list of 15, which I'll talk about soon, for 2018 averaged 52% ROE. That's based on the latest quarter in 2017. So, if you look at most stocks on the market, some companies don't even make money, but, the average ROE might be around, 5 to 10%. The companies that I show here, most of them in the top 15, they average 52% ROE. You can learn more about my full portfolio. I don't just invest in these 15 best idea stocks. By becoming an exclusive member on Patreon, There's currently 19 members, and it only starts at $5. Okay, I'll send you 12 issues per year. If you become a member now, you'll get the next issue, which is the December issue at the beginning of January. And as a bonus to all of my members, I'll also be sending out my portfolio year-end review in the next couple of weeks. Okay, you can learn more. Go to my website, robinspeziale.com. You can click on my portfolio, or you can go to patreon.com/robinspeziale. Anyways, okay, so here are the top 15 stock ideas, guys, for 2018. I'm probably shooting myself in the foot by releasing my best ideas for 2018 because, things can change, but hey, like, it's all good fun. Don't do anything crazy and put all of your money into these 15 stocks, and for that matter, Bitcoin. Always conduct your own research and due diligence. Okay, so here are my 15 best stock ideas for the new year, 2018. And again, I'll segment these into the 3 aforementioned groups, which is capital compounders being number 1, number 2, mispriced large caps, and the number 3, speculative takeovers. Okay, so let's start with the capital compounders. So number 1 is a company called National Beverage, and the ticker symbol is Fizz. Number 2 is Two Cows, ticker symbol TC. Number 3, MTY Food Group, ticker symbol MTY. Number 4, Premium Brand Holdings, ticker symbol PBH. Number 5, Savaria, ticker symbol SIS. Number 6, Pollard Banknote, ticker symbol PBL. Number 7, Spin Master, ticker symbol TOY. Number 8, Match Group, ticker symbol MTCH. 9, Photon Control, ticker symbol PHO. And 10, Richelieu Hardware, ticker symbol RCH. So now we'll get into the second bucket, which is mispriced large caps. So these are companies that are over 10 billion in market cap. So number 11 is Yum China, ticker symbol YUMC. Number 12, Alimentation Couche-Tard, ticker symbol ATD.B. Number 13, Netflix, ticker symbol NFLX. Okay, so now the last bucket, which is speculative takeovers. These are small microcap stocks that are under 100 million in market cap. But I predict that they might, who knows, there's nothing public on it, but they might get taken over. So number 14 is a company called 10 Peaks Coffee Company, ticker symbol TPK. And then finally, number 15, Intrinsic Technologies, ticker symbol ITC. Anyways, if you have any questions or comments, please post below in YouTube. And you can also email me at r.speziale@gmail.com. Please visit my website, robinspeziale.com. You'll get lots of freebies there. I'm giving away a couple of free books. You can see a snapshot of my portfolio, and there's just a lot of great content there. Okay, have a great day, guys, and a successful 2018. Bye.